Hi everyone, my name is Andre John and I just want to welcome you to Play Drums the Easy Way, right? My YouTube channel. And before we go any further, I just want to say a very happy New Year, prosperous New Year to everyone. And I also want to say thanks to those of you who have been viewing my channel and you have been subscribing. Want to say again, thank you so much. You are part of the reason why I am here today. So today what we're going to be looking at are just some mistakes that you need to overcome as you continue to play drums. Let me just say that sometimes you will be looking at videos and all you see is just the perfection of the beats, all right, and perfection of the fills. But I want you to know that on this journey, all right, sometimes you'll make a lot of mistakes. And so we want to view a few of them and how we can actually overcome them. Okay, so one of the first mistakes I think some drummers make is that they are not playing the right timing or the right rhythm or the right beat for the particular song. All right, so for example, well, let's look at these beats. 1, 2, 3. That's a tempo, that's a speed. And sometimes what happens as the music starts, a drummer might be playing. If you notice, two different beats, all right, but they are trying to fit it into the same song. And so what you will have to do as a beginner, all right, is listen to a lot of drummers, all right, practice, so that when the music begins, you know exactly what beat actually fit into actually what type of song, all right. For example, there are some songs, they are pop, all right, they are disco, you have reggae, okay. So if somebody said that they are playing reggae, or play reggae, 1, 2. And they tell you to play reggae, and you decide to play pop. All right, so give me reggae, and you. Totally off. So again, I'm going to encourage you to listen to different genres of music, listen to the different drummers, all right, and practice, and that would actually help you with that first area, or one of the first mistakes that some drummer makes. Another mistake that that we make sometimes is sometimes we roll. Our roll is out of sync, all right, with the other musicians or with the tune. And so that happens from time to time. Don't want you to feel no way, don't want you to feel bad, don't beat up on yourself, all right? But again, by practicing, okay, so sometimes you might be playing a beat, right? You actually mix up the roll, and so you crush the cymbal right in the wrong place, and so it throws the other musicians off. What do you do? Okay, do you drop your sticks and get up and leave the drums? What do you do? Remember that you keep the timing, all right? You are the rhythm. You are the one that keep everybody, on a solid foundation. So if you throw things off, you throw other persons off, all right, the other members of the band. And so what you need to do again is to practice your rolls. All right, practice your rolls. So you're playing. Practice your rolls, practice your fills. I would say sometimes for each song you can look about 3 or 4 different style of rolling, all right, that would make your rhythm, all right, and then your beat and your addition to the band really sound, more effective, right? So those are just some basic mistakes, right? The next one that I want to cover, sometimes as a musician that you are playing and all you have is just one pair of sticks. I want to encourage you to always have another pair of sticks somewhere close by. Some drummers have it here. Some drummers stick it actually in their waist. And the reason for that is sometimes you are playing, all right, and while you are playing, the stick either break or they slip out of your hand. What do you do? Okay, what do you do? Remember, you are keeping the timing, and that's very important. So let's go again. You're gonna be playing a rhythm. We're gonna drop the stick, all right, and look at when you have a stick close by, how easy it is, all right, rather than trying to bend down and take it up or to go into your bag or something like that. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2. Pull back out your stick. Okay? So we're going to try that one more time. All right? But we're going to continue the rhythm, because if you stop, okay, remember it will throw everybody off. So let's go again. 1, 2. So keep the rhythm going, keep the timing going, because that's your responsibility as you continue to actually play the drums. So again, those are just a few mistakes that we make as we go along playing drums, but by practice and consistency, all right, we can do better. I want to remind you that you are the foundation, all right, the foundation of the band. So if you lose your timing, you can throw everyone off. So let's go again, all right, and let's look at some beats as we continue along. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you much for joining. Okay, remember to check the links in the description if there are anything that you need, any drum accessories. And remember to subscribe, all right? Share if there are anything that you would like me to show you or to teach you. All right, just place a comment and I will be more than willing to follow through with it. So thank you so much again.